Withdrawing money from Wise to my bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Send money directly to your linked bank account. This is the fastest and most common method. If you have a Wise debit card linked to your account, you can withdraw cash from ATMs or use it for purchases. Open the Wise application or website and log in to your account. Select the balance you want to withdraw from. Tap on the Withdraw or Send button. Choose Bank Transfer or Debit Card as the withdrawal method. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Select the bank account you want to receive the funds in. For bank transfers, enter the account details if not already linked. Review the estimated arrival date and any applicable fees. Double-check all the details, including the amount and bank account information. Enter your PIN or password to confirm the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation email and notification when the transfer is complete.